All safe, saving lives since 1992. Thank you for choosing All Safe Pull Fence and Covers. We want to take a moment to briefly cover what you can expect on the day of installation. Please make sure you share this video with any authorized adult who will be attending the installation.
On the day of installation, we will require working power outlets and access to running water. We ask that you please give our workers clear access to the backyard where the work will be done. It is very important that there are no other workers or work being done in the backyard. We also require any landscape be removed prior to installation. And we ask if you do have pets to please keep them indoors, as they may interfere with the installation process. And we also ask that there be no fumigation or tenting during the installation. The first step in the installation process is the layout. Once the layout is discussed and agreed upon, then the drilling can begin.
Please note installation times may vary based on your layout. Please check with your installer for the estimated completion time. You will need to be present at the time of completion. The installation crew will be providing a demonstration on how to remove your fence and adjust your gate. It is important that you learn how to use your fence and make these adjustments. Adjustments are normal maintenance and required by the pool owner to maintain proper safety.
Once the fence is installed, our technician will demonstrate the easiest ways to remove and reassemble your fence. To summarize, there are 4 easy steps to the installation process. Number 1, the layout and layout approval. Number 2, the drilling. Number 3, the fence will be installed. And step number 4, at the end of installation, our technician will demonstrate the easiest way to remove and install your safety fence. And most importantly, remember that your pool fence is not a substitution for direct adult supervision.
All safe, saving lives since 1992.